500 million chocolate bars a month start as something this simple: a raw, bitter bean. Welcome to Process Media. We're deconstructing how a single factory turns bitter beans into 500 million bars. Every batch is checked by hand before it's allowed anywhere near the production line. The exact roast time and temperature here decides the flavor of every single bar this factory makes. Roasted, cracked, and separated. What's left now is the pure heart of the bean, ready to be ground. Friction alone turns the solid nib into a liquid, and this factory grinds tons of it every single hour.
Every recipe is measured to the gram. A single % off, and the whole batch tastes different.
The goal is a texture so fine, your tongue can't detect a single particle when it melts. This single hall processes more chocolate in a day than most bakeries use in an entire year.
Tempering is the one step machines still can't fully replace instinct for Paukfrüh. Temperature has to be exact.
If the temper is wrong, the chocolate turns dull and crumbly instead of glossy and crisp.
From here, tempered chocolate feeds a line that never really stops, day or night. Every mold is polished to a mirror finish. Any scratch would show up on the finished bar. Each mold gets exactly the same amount, poured within a fraction of a second, thousands of times an hour. A single trapped air bubble would ruin the bar's snap. This step catches every one of them. From liquid to solid in minutes, the cooling tunnel is where the bar finally takes its shape. Every bar releases clean, in one piece, exactly the same shape as the one before it. At full speed, this single line wraps more than 1,000 bars every minute, without pausing.
Every wrapped bar is scanned before boxing. Anything underweight or misaligned never makes it out the door. From bean to sealed box, the entire process now takes less than a single day.
A bitter bean, transformed 500 million times a month into something the whole world reaches for.